Understanding the phrase, "Don't keep score." Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the English language and unlock the secrets of its idioms and phrases. Today, we're exploring a very interesting phrase, "Don't keep score." It's a phrase you might encounter in both personal conversations and professional settings. Let's break it down together and understand its meaning, usage, and the context in which it can be applied. We hope this video will enrich your English vocabulary and help you communicate more effectively. The phrase, "Don't keep score," is a metaphorical expression that advises against keeping a record of the wrongs or rights, failures or successes, in a relationship or competition. It implies not treating interactions as a competition where every action is tallied up to determine who is ahead or behind. Instead, it suggests fostering a spirit of cooperation, forgiveness, and mutual support. This phrase can be applied in various contexts, including friendships, romantic relationships, family dynamics, and even in the workplace. Why is it important to not keep score? This concept is crucial because it encourages a healthier, more supportive environment. Keeping score can lead to resentment, unnecessary competition, and a breakdown in relationships. It undermines trust and prevents the building of strong, meaningful connections. By not keeping score, individuals can focus on understanding, compassion, and working together towards common goals, enhancing both personal growth and collective achievements. Let's look at some examples to better understand how to use this phrase. In a friendship, we've both made mistakes, but it's important that we don't keep score and move forward together. In a relationship, to make our relationship stronger, let's not keep score of each other's past mistakes. At work, our team will be more successful if we don't keep score of who contributed what and instead focus on our shared goals. These examples highlight the phrase's versatility and its potential to positively impact various aspects of life. "Don't keep score" is more than just a phrase. It's a philosophy that can lead to healthier, more fulfilling relationships and communities. By embracing this approach, we encourage forgiveness, collaboration, and a focus on mutual success rather than individual victories or losses. We hope this explanation helps you understand and use the phrase, "Don't keep score," in your daily life and communications. Thank you for watching, and remember to keep learning and growing every day.